Hello everyone, this is Bidaska Salam from PS Media, and this is the last video for this restaurant website design video series. We have designed all the sections that we need for this one-page restaurant website that we have designed with Wordpress and Free Elemeentor page builder. Now let's insert section IDs to link our header menus. So first, home. For home, let's link with this first section. Okay, in the advanced section, let's call it home. Okay, here. Okay, sorry, let's preview this. Okay, home. Okay, and then next one is about. For about, let's choose this section here, section ID about, and then next section menu. Okay, this is the menu section. Let's add menu section ID, and then specials. This is the specials section. Specials, and then events. Okay, this is the one. Events, and then book a table. This button here, this is the one. And yeah, this is the ID that we have created when we designed when we created the menu for the this header. And then next is gallery. This is the one. Gallery. Then save. Then contact. Okay, and this is the one. Contact. Okay, update it. Now if we refresh this page and click on any of these links, navigation menus, yep, it will go to the specific page for this navigation menu. Okay, bookable like this. So that's it. And what we need is the last activity of this video series is designing a footer. Here in this template, there is some widgets in this footer like subscription, footer menu, and all. Some description and address, and this is a old design, meaning this is old activity, old tradition. Before sticky headers becoming a trend, before the onset of sticky headers, it is required to put some footer menu at the footer to improve user experience. When someone scrolls down at the bottom of the website, of the web page, if they want to go to another page of your website, they need to click on any of the footer menu. But nowadays we have sticky header, so any of the link that we want to go, we can click on this header, sticky header. So footer menu is no longer a necessary requirement for designing a website. So you can remove all those widgets, and we can design a simple minimal footer. Let's do it. Let's do it with here with appearance, header, footer, and then add new. Let's call it footer, and this is footer template for entire website and for all users. Elementor canvas, publish it. Okay, edit with Elementor. Okay, and we have a single about 100 pixel at the bottom one, like this, and black background. And then some border, solid at the top, little gray, and then text editor, centered, white. Okay, and the text editor like this, and copyright your restaurant name, first off, all rights are reserved. Designed with Wordpress and Free Elemeentor. Okay, this is it. If you want to insert link, you can insert link here. Okay, update it. Now if we go to our home page, our website, at the footer here, this is the footer that we have just designed. Okay, that's it. If you want to add some content, you can add it in the footer template, but I think it is not necessary. We have already we have already add everything here: contact address, opening hours, email, phone number, contact form. We have already added, so it's no longer necessary to add any information here at the bottom. One thing you can add is social icons. You can add social icons here at the footer to your Facebook page, Twitter account, or YouTube page. You can add at the footer. That's the only thing that is still lacking in this template. That's it. This is the last video for this video series, restaurant video series, and in the next thing we'll design another video series about designing a website. We have already done for company website, restaurant website. Let's do a different one in the next video series. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, thoughts, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and if you need help in your web design, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll try to help you in any way as possible. Anything I can help, I'll try to help. Thanks for watching again. Thanks for support. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a nice day.